In front of me is Sony Xperia Z, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps and enter settings. Here find and select display and mark wallpaper here. And you can choose the source that you want to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be your own album of photos, some from live wallpapers or Xperia wallpapers. So just mark the one that you would like to apply. You can go back then and pick any other. And just choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Obviously you can check how they will look like on your screen just by tapping on each of them and then checking if you like it or not. And let me pick, for example, this one. Whenever you want to set it as your wallpaper, just mark set wallpaper. And that's it. That will be all. Now let's go back to your home screen. And as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is applied. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.